Hey guys, it's me being Tori. If you see I have these gloves on, that's because I was picking up some trash around in my neighborhood. In this video, you're going to see some beauties of the neighborhood, like beautiful gardens, and some of the ugly sides of my neighborhood. People just laying trash on the ground where it's easy to pick it up because in some video clips you will see. Hey guys, it's me being Tori. I had to pause. Make sure you check out my live where you see I'm picking up the trash and getting my steps in. Okay, back to the program. There's trash cans right by the trash that they left. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful Earth Day, a beautiful day in general. And like this shirt says, our earth, our home. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I'm wearing my gloves, I'm touching everything. I can't wait to go home and sanitize my phone, my glasses, and wash my hands. So yeah, so keep on watching, and also you might see me get some steps in today, and I hope you guys get your steps in today. Enjoy everything that God has given us, this beautiful sun in my state, and we got some clouds. So once again, you guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys watch this video and enjoy. Comment down below and tell me something that you're thankful for, or your favorite place on the planet. I would love to know. Please comment. It would really help my channel grow. Like, I walked around my neighborhood and picked up all this trash, you guys. All this trash. I make sure I have my gloves, and I didn't pick up any sharp objects, but I was impressed. It's Earth Day, and like my shirt says, appreciate your home. You know, would you do this to your home? So I had to stop picking up some trash because my head was bothering me. But here we go. Happy Earth Day, everyone. I'm wearing my shirt. Happy Earth Day. I had this shirt for like ever. I just love Kermit. But anyways, I was walking through my neighborhood and I picked up some trash, you guys. Look at all this trash that I picked. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Happy Earth Day. Trash right here. Trash can a few feet away. Trash right here. Trash can a few feet away. These are my favorite roses. Sometimes when I do my walk, I see the guy gardening out here and we have little conversations. He's very nice. I want these roses. I want them. Are they roses? They're cute and I want them. I think I'm growing these. I'm not too sure. think I just started growing these. I got the seeds from the Dollar Tree store. Aren't they a beaut? My neighborhood has so much beautiful garden spaces. I love it. I think one of this is YouTubers I watch, she's growing these. Garden Happy. I have to ask you, are these what you're growing? Beautiful. Are these hibiscus? I think they are. Beautiful. Guys, that was my fun Earth Day. I actually got some workout on. Had fun picking up the trash. Like I said, I had to stop picking up the trash because my brain was doing what it was doing, and so I stopped. And make sure you wear some gloves. Don't pick up any sharp objects, or wash your hands. And once again, happy Earth Day. Everybody give comment. Everybody give Kermit the Frog. Everybody give Kermit the Frog some love and respect your earth, love your earth, and give thanks on a daily. Thanks for watching. Bye.